Happy Tuesday, everyone. Let's dive into what happened over the past 24 hours. Because it was a rough one for crypto, Bitcoin briefly fell below $86,000 and is now trading around $86,600. And with that drop, the odds of Bitcoin hitting $100,000 by year end fell below 10% on Polymarket. There's now an 85% chance Bitcoin hits $80,000 first before climbing to $150,000 according to prediction markets, so we might be in for more pain before the next leg up. In the past 24 hours alone, 170,894 crypto traders were liquidated, with total liquidations hitting $578.94 million, so it was an absolute bloodbath out there. Despite the volatility, Michael Saylor's strategy just bought another 10,645 Bitcoin worth $980 million because apparently they don't care about short-term price action, and strategy will remain in the Nasdaq 100 index, which keeps institutional exposure intact. Trump family-backed miner American Bitcoin increased its holdings to over 5,000 Bitcoin, and President Trump said he'll consider a pardon for the CEO of privacy-focused Bitcoin wallet Samurai, which is a pretty big signal for the crypto privacy community. Fidelity dropped an interesting report saying Bitcoin's 4-year cycle may be over, which, if true, would completely change how we think about market timing. The new SEC chair, Paul Atkins, made some bullish comments saying public blockchains are more transparent than any legacy financial system ever built, and the SEC Crypto Task Force is hosting a roundtable on financial surveillance and privacy today. There's a 79% chance the Fed maintains rates in January, according to Kalshi traders, and the head of crypto at Kalshi said prediction markets are the memecoins of 2023, which is kind of hilarious. Over in traditional finance, Elon Musk became the first person in history to surpass a $600 billion net worth. Kevin Warsh is now the favorite on Polymarket to replace Jerome Powell as Federal Reserve Chair. Treasury Secretary Bessent called to ban stock trading by Congress. Nasdaq is preparing to extend trading hours to 23 hours on weekdays. And PayPal just submitted an application to become a U.S. bank. Bank of America says banks will move on-chain over the next several years, and MetaMask now supports Bitcoin, which is a huge UX win. Gold climbed to 7-week highs above $4,325. On the altcoin front, Ethereum is getting serious institutional attention, with $4 trillion giant JP Morgan launching its first tokenized money market fund on Ethereum. And DBS, Singapore's largest bank, received an additional 2,000 Ethereum worth $6.27 million from Galaxy Digital. Visa launched a stablecoins advisory practice to help institutions build stablecoin strategies. CME launched spot-quoted XRP and Solana futures, which gives traditional traders more ways to get exposure. And Solana ecosystem recorded its second consecutive year as the most popular blockchain ecosystem, capturing 26.79% of global interest. MoonPay introduced its MoonPay commerce app built exclusively for the Solana mobile seeker, and Ondo Finance is expanding to Solana in early 2026. Bitmine announced it added 102,259 Ethereum in the past week, which is massive accumulation. The UK is creating new rules to police cryptocurrency markets, so regulation keeps creeping forward globally. That's your wrap for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you tomorrow with another roundup.